Today I am reviewing the HP EliteBook 6 16-inch business laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to corporate fleets and serious enterprise computing, the HP EliteBook series has long been recognized as a gold standard. With the release of the brand new HP EliteBook 6 16-inch business laptop, which serves as the highly anticipated next generation of the classic 660 series, HP has truly raised the bar for what a modern office workstation should be. Wrapped in a sleek, professional silver chassis, this laptop is engineered from the ground up for high-efficiency office data processing, remote corporate management, and seamless multitasking. If you are looking for a machine that pairs rock-solid reliability with cutting-edge internal architecture, this EliteBook demands your attention. Let's start by diving into the core performance components, because this is where the EliteBook 6 truly shines. It is powered by the all-new Intel Core Ultra 7255U processor. This incredibly efficient chip features a hybrid architecture boasting 12 cores and 16 threads, with a blistering maximum turbo frequency of up to 5.2 GHz. When you combine this advanced processing power with 16 GB of high-bandwidth DDR5 RAM, and a 512 GB PCI NVMe solid-state drive, the daily office experience is flawless. Whether you are compiling massive data sets, managing intricate financial spreadsheets and accounting software, running local database queries, or hosting a high-definition Microsoft Teams meeting with screen sharing enabled, this laptop handles it instantly. There is no stuttering, no hesitation, and absolutely no system lag. It gives data analysts and business professionals the peace of mind that their hardware can keep up with their train of thought. Another massive advantage of this specific model is the expansive 16-inch display. The larger screen real estate is an absolute game-changer for spreadsheet-heavy tasks and data processing, allowing you to comfortably snap windows side by side without squinting. HP has also excelled in the ergonomics department. The EliteBook 6 features a full-sized, backlit, spill-resistant keyboard. The typing experience is crisp and incredibly quiet, making it perfect for open-plan offices or quiet late-night home study sessions. Plus, because it is a true 16-inch machine, it includes a dedicated numeric keypad on the right-hand side, which is indispensable for accountants, financial advisors, and anyone inputting heavy amounts of data. To make it even better, HP includes a precision clickpad and bundles a high-quality mouse right out of the box, meaning you are fully ready to get to work the second you lift the lid. Connectivity is critical in a professional environment, and this laptop is built to act as the ultimate desktop replacement. On the sides, you will find a premium Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port operating at a massive 40 gigabits per second. This allows you to hook up dual 4K external monitors, high-speed storage drives, or an advanced corporate docking station using just one single cable. It also includes full-sized USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port for modern conference room projectors, and a dedicated RJ 45 gigabit Ethernet port, ensuring you always have a rock-solid, ultra-secure wired internet connection when wireless networks are crowded. Because this machine is designed for enterprise environments, data security is treated with absolute priority. Out of the box, it comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, which gives small business owners and corporate IT departments access to advanced domain management, secure boot, and BitLocker device encryption. Biometric security is integrated directly into the hardware via a highly responsive fingerprint reader, keeping your confidential client records and corporate data locked away from prying eyes. When it comes to power endurance, the efficient architecture of the Intel Ultra 7 processor ensures exceptional all-day battery life. And when you finally do need a top-up, the included 65-watt USB-C fast charger quickly refills the battery, keeping you untethered from the wall and highly mobile during long off-site meetings. In conclusion, the HP EliteBook 6 16-inch laptop is a spectacular evolution of the 660 lineup. It is powerful, ultra-secure, exceptionally well-connected, and built to withstand the rigors of heavy daily office work. For any professional seeking an uncompromised productivity machine, this laptop is a premier choice.